Hello guys, what's up? I'm Suresh Designer. Today we want to talk about one of the famous plugins in SketchUp called 1001-bit Pro. It's really useful in your design and 3D modeling, so like and subscribe, don't forget it, and let's get to this tutorial. So I'm gonna start with opening this plugin, and we will come to the this place called View, Toolbars, and I want to check the 1001-bit Pro plugin for it. As you can see, this is all of the options we have in this useful plugin. I'm gonna click and drag it in this place and manage my workspace. So at first I'm going to talk about why this plugin is really famous. Sometimes you spend lots of time to create stairs, staircases, elevators, escalators, door frames, window frames, or roofs. But all of these important elements in civil and architecture, you can completely use it easy, free, and fast in 1001 plugin in SketchUp. So I'm gonna start with some type of useful options in here. For example, I'm gonna start with the line option. I want to draw some line in this place, for example 300 centimeter. And now I want to select it. At first we have some option called divide option. I want to click on it, and you can change some type of important options in here. For example, you can change it to the fixed distance from the middle, or evenly divided from the first point, or number of segments all around your lines. So I'm going to use fixed distance for it. Actually, all of the lines distance is about 300 centimeter. So you can set it by the out, and you can change your conversion on this photo. This is some type of preview for you. You can use setting out from the start point, or you can use from the middle point. I want to use this option, and I want to divide it in every 40 centimeter. So I'm going to divide edges. As you can see, now it's divided for us, very simple and easy. And you can draw your lines or shapes. Another useful thing that we have in here is related to the window modeling. Actually, you can create different type of windows with this option, but before you use it, I prefer to draw some type of rectangle for it. Something about, for example, 200 to the 100, something like that. And now you can click on it and use it. The window modeling option in this place as divide select face into the panels, or you can use create window frame. I want to start with the create window frame in this place. You have three type of window framing model. It's rectangular frames, beveled frames, or something about extrude edge frames. So best detailed option is the third one. But if you want something very simple, you can use rectangular frame in here. Actually, you have some type of information in this place, like frame depths, as you can see on this photo, or W is about frame widths, and what is the D2, I don't know. You can change it in the bevel options actually available. So we don't have any work with D2 or W2, only D and W. For example, I want some window with frame depth at about 10 centimeter and the width is about 4 centimeter, and my window frame is good, and I want to create my window. In this place it said please select the face or window profile. I'm going to select this, and as you can see, these window profile completely modeled for us, very simple and easy. And you can materialize it or do lots of things on it. Another option is really useful in 1001-bit Pro is the create horizontal grooves lines on your selected faces. For example, I want to draw some type of wall in this place with some dimension about 20 centimeter to 500, and now I want to extrude it a little bit about 300. So I want to select these four faces in here. I want to use tape measure and add some measure about 60 and another measure about 160. So I'm going to click on the grooves line in here, and you can set your numbers and dimensions. For example, it starts with the A parameter called groove external dimension. I'm going to adjust it to the 7 centimeter. We have internal dimension to the B parameter. I want to set it to the 4 centimeter. And we have groove depth is about C parameter. I'm going to set it on the 3. And groove spacing is about something like, for example, 30 centimeter. I can convert it to the 26. And number of grooves, I can increase it to the 8, for example. And now I want to press create grooves in here, and it said please pick a start level. So I'm going to click on this place, as you can see, and it wants to ask us soften edges. Absolutely yes, and I press yes. As you can see, we draw this type of detailed wall in here. Very simple. It will take lots of time of you if you don't use these type of plugins in SketchUp. Another option we have is about the vertical columns. I'm going to click on it, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 model of the columns. It depends on you. I want to use, for example, number 3 and build column in here. We have some dimensions and parameters, like for example dimension C1 is about the width, H2 is about some type of details in here. For example, C1 is 80 and C2 is about 80 again. H1 is the thickness of this place. I'm going to increase it to the 20. H2 is about the beveled height. I'm going to increase it to the 16. W1 is about the main column body width and heights. I'm going to change it to the 40 and 40 again. And the main height is about 300. I'm going to increase it to the 400, for example, and build my column. I just want to click on my screen for the double time. As you can see, we create this type of 3D column in here. Very simple and easy. You can move it anywhere and use it on your models or rendering systems. So another option we have is about the staircases. You can create staircases very simple and easy with only few clicks in here. I'm gonna draw some line, for example, 500, 500. And now I want to click on the create different type of staircases. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 model of these staircases. For example, I want to create some type of staircases like the circular. So I want to select this item, or I think this item have better. I'm going to click on the build staircases. So you can change these type of parameters very simple and easy. If you click on it, this preview will be show for you. Step width is about A parameter. I'm going to find A in this picture. Actually, you can see stay width. So I'm going to increase this width to the 140, and the riser height is about 15 centimeter. I'm going to change it to the 16, and the number of rises, for example, 24, and the step angle is about 30 fixed. The step thickness is the D parameter. I'm going to change it to the 3, and handrails have some different parameters, so I don't want to change it. Actually, I want to find all of these parameters in this picture, and all of them has been done. So we have center pole diameter. Center pole diameter show with the E parameter, and you can use E in this picture in here. So I want to increase my pole diameter about 26, and handrail guiding lines offset. Handrail guiding lines offset show with the F in here, and I want to adjust it about 4 centimeter, for example, or 3. And the G parameter is about the hand line height. I can change it to the 90, for example, and hand rail diameter is the H, so I can decrease it to the 4, and intermediate rail diameter is about 3, for example. So I want to click on the create spiral staircases in here, and please pick center base point of your spiral. I'm going to click on it. So as you can see, this high quality model of the staircase has been modeled for us, very simple and easy. It's really useful in your architectural projects with some high level of details, and your employers will get surprised when see these type of details on their project. So it's really makes your job easy, because creating these type of helix designs in SketchUp is really hard, it's really difficult, and you can use it on your renders with the high quality. So another option we have is related to the door framing. I'm gonna draw some type of rectangular about, for example, 280 to the 100, something like that, and I want to adjust it in the height option. I'm gonna move it to this place. So now I want to click on the create door frame in here. We have different type of door frames, like the rectangular frame, beveled frame, or extrude edges frame. So I want to use beveled edge in this place. I can change my frame depths in here. For example, frame depth show with the D. I want some door with 10 centimeter frame depths, and D2 is the extrusion or bevel depths in here. I'm going to change it to the 1.6, for example. Frame width is W, and I can change it to the 4, and bevel width is about, I think something about 1.6 is good, and the type of it is the standard. You can save this setting or you can remove this setting. We don't have any work with this place. Door frame location, back, middle, front. I'm going to select front in here and create door frame. Now we only want to select our door face, and I want to click on it. As you can see, this type of door frame has been modeled for us, very simple and easy in SketchUp. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, please don't forget it, and I will show another options in 1001-bit plugin in SketchUp at the next tutorials. So goodbye.